original. You ain't original.
There you go.
Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Tell me what you ordered. No? Oh, sorry. No, don't film my face. Okay, dance comp unboxing for cameraman who's too scared to unbox this.
I'm too scared.
Wait, do you want the receipt?
No.
Oh.
Hurry up!
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, nothing. How fast is the shipping?
1 day. Less than 24 hours.
From danscomp
From danscomp
and
to
Stress.
Alright. Okay.
Alright. We got. Why would you want to buy this? Dude, you have so many. You got it in the wrong size too.
Okay.
You're supposed to get the blue ones. Stickers.
I already have that sticker.
I'll have it.
No, I'll have it.
What is? Oh, your mom? Yeah. Oh. Is this? Are you serious? I thought you got a legit one. We got a couple triangles, like the instrument.
Yeah.
Whatever. Oh, another one.
Yeah. Those things.
Nuts.
Nuts. I got some of those.
How's the lighting on this?
Pretty good. I'm trying to light. Messy. Alright, got some bands.
Bands.
Socks.
3-pack. It's a 3-pack.
3-pack.
Bands. Why would you want to get this one?
What?
Ugly.
Shut up.
Why don't you buy this stuff at Momentum?
It's expensive. Alright. Got my sick cult shirt.
Sick? Bloody.
Bloody cult shirt.
It's actually.
Nice.
Well, that's pretty cool actually. Does it fit? Too small.
Yeah.
We got dance comp shirt, tie-dye, ugly,
Pretty sick.
very tasteful.
Pretty nice.
Wait, why am I doing that? What is it? Heavy cotton.
Alright, what else we got?
Wait, what? Tie-dye. Nice. 1969. You got shadow
No
pegs? No.
Pegs.
Oh. Gloves. Everyone says shadow. Do these work with iPhones and stuff?
I don't know.
Not right.
Pretty sick though. Nice logo.
Oh sweet, a shadow sticker.
Is there a sticker?
No.
Oh, shit.
Pretty cool. Oh, free dance comp.
Oh, they got the new shirts.
Oh, yeah. Free dance comp
Oh, sick.
for the cheap people. Dude, this one's a bit too big.
No, that's perfect.
I'll have it.
Yeah, sure.
I'll buy it.
No.
I'll buy it from you. How much is this?
And
Dude.
122.
You 85 for clothing and what? How much is the bike stand?
And yeah,
No, not yet. There's still more.
it's not no more.
Oh, okay.
Okay, say goodbye.
Oh. Wow.
Huh?
Want to film everything that you got? Or? No. Oh, you got a discount.
Yeah.